If you want to add AI voices to your radio drama or whatever you're making, you can do that with Adobe Audition. What you want to do is you want to select, like I've showed you before, you want to select the input as the computer sound, and that's stereo mix, okay? Now, if you press record, everything that will, happen on the computer will register as a sound here, and that can be recorded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find something that we can record. So there are different places that I recommend. 11 Labs, you can see the address up here, is one of them. It does cost a little bit of money, but I do think that if you make, if you create like a trial version, it will give you access to some voices, and you can make a little bit of dialogue in there. It has tons of different things that you can do. You can change a voice, you can isolate the voice, you can, text to speech, all sorts of stuff. You can also use the audiobook version where you actually can create entire audiobooks with AI voices. Not that I'm recommending that, I'm just saying it's possible. So you can select different voices for every single actor, and it's fairly easy to do. So I want now to record this part, and I want the voice to be Dominic, which is he has a British, brooding, and intense voice, evidently. Okay, so let's go to Audition, activate this. Now it's recording. Let's go back to 11 Labs and play.
In the late summer of 1891, a man sat alone in that same cottage, the fire dying low, the mist thick against the windows. Each night he wrote in a leather-bound journal, a journal left forgotten in the corner cabinet, waiting.
Okay. Let's stop it here, and now you can see. So it didn't start. It took me a little bit of time. I'm just going to delete that part and pull this back. So this here is the voice.
In the late summer of 1891, a man sat alone in that same cottage.
Increase the volume a little bit.
Dying low, the mist thick against the windows. Each night.
Okay. So now I've recorded using 11 Labs. I'm going to record another one. I'm just going to pull that down here. I'm going to record another one up here, but I'm going to use a different program. So this is Microsoft Clipchamp. It should be on your computer. If it's not, you can probably install it. And once you open it, you will get this window. And you can go to empty video or a new video. This happens. And then you can go to, I think it's here. Yes, and you you go down here, and this is in Norwegian. It says text til tale. That's basically text to speech. Click that, and let's just do the same text as we had on 11 Labs. No, let's do this one. Sort of different. Copy. Go back here. This is what I want the person to say. I want it to be in English. I don't know. Andrew. Let's go back here. Again, press record. Now it's recording. Let's see what it's like.
His final entry ended mid-sentence. Ink smeared. Pen dropped. No name signed. The next morning, the cottage was empty, and the Moors swallowed their secrets for over a century.
Okay, let's go back here. See? Worked again. Works like a charm every time. Just gonna go delete this part, pull this back, and have a listen.
His final entry ended mid-sentence. Ink smeared. Pen dropped.
Works like a charm. So that's how you add AI voices to your Adobe Audition. Works pretty well.